What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you a sexy dance. So this is a popular TikTok remix. So the song called Rude Boy by Rihanna. So remember, this is a TikTok. It's a little bit fast. I make it slower a bit. And yeah, let's try. Alright everybody, let's start. So this is actually the original song is very fast, but for this one I make it a little bit slower. So you can use the original fast TikTok music if you already know the steps, okay? So for now we use the slower one. So 6, 7, jump, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, down on 5, 6, copy, one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, to the front, 7, close on 8. Okay, you really need to go to the front. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and jump, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. For this one, gonna go to your right, lower. 1, back, 2, 3, 4. Copy, one more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5 and 6 to the front, 7 and 8. So make it a bit sexier if you're a girl. Okay, if for a boy, you can just do it like this. Okay, that's right. So 5, boy or a guy. Just like, feel like I'm talking to a kid. So 5, 6, 7. Let's try from the beginning. 6, 7, jump. 1 and 2. Again, 3, 4, lower, 5, 6 to the front, 7, 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try a bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next. Move up a bit. So 7, 8. This is step to your left or around your head. 1, close on 2. Step back, lean back. 3, go 4. Actually, this is 3, lift. 4, 5, 6, go 7, ja, 8. Let's keep it simple. Again, we go from, what's the last step? Yeah, 7, 5, 6, 7, here on 8, up, 1, 2, remember back, 3, up, 4, hips, 5, 6, this is two counts, 5, 6, 7, just 8. Let's combine from the beginning. It's hard to count with this mask. So 5, 6, 7, jump, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, back, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8, last 8, next 8. So 7, 8. For this one, what's my hips? 1. So every time you step your left to the your right foot to your left, these hips go to your right. It goes like this. 7 and 1, 2. 2 sets only. 2 times only. Then your hand just free like this. So 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, overhead. 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side. 1, 2. Let's continue. So 1, 2, close on 3, 4. Cross 5, 6. Copy? One more time. Remember, 2 counts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ball change to the front. 7. 7. Again. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What next? 7, sorry, 8. Cross 1. I need to ask, I forgot. One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue before we repeat everything. Cross 1, prepare on 2, turn around, 3, 4. Got it? Let's try from again here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is 3, 4, 3, 4. Ano? 3, 4. Down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrong countings. Again. Let's try. Move. Hang it off in. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4, down on 5, 6, 7, touch on 8. Continue. 1, 2. 2 counts are 1, point your toes. 1, circle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, up and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish this one. This is the last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, down. Yes, that's all the choreography. Now, before we go to the beginning, let's try one more time from here. So hopefully you can see me because I go to the floor. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Oh, yeah. From the beginning. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, cross 3, 4, 5, 6. Last count. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Punch slow. Yeah. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to
Share.
subscribe, like, comments on my video. They don't have idea what to say, alright? I'm sorry about that. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.